Welcome back to another video. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe because I'm dropping videos every day and I can't wait to start posting the funny content and the entertaining content. Right now we're just doing educational just for like 1 or 2 more days. So I hope you guys are subscribed, and if you guys are not tuned in, follow us on TikTok and Instagram, LaidByJess. And yeah, let's get into the video. So as you could tell by the title, this is going to be a glueless install. Not everybody's skin works with the glue, and that's fine. Sometimes, you just want to go with the glueless option and still give it a natural look, still have the same effect as glued. And there's so many techniques out there, but this technique I use is the best just because I feel like you get both, like a little bit of both worlds, such as you can still take off your wig and still have a melted look without your wig looking like lacy or wiggy or anything. So right here I am creating the widow speak look for her, also kind of known as like the Legos hairline, but she's doing baby hairs with this install. So it would just really be a widow speak look. But this is how I do the widow speak look. I kind of part out the hair and pluck behind it, depending on how the client wants it to look. If they don't want too much plucking, I give it just a natural pluck and then pull the hair out. So when you are doing this part, you have to be extremely careful. I'm going to do a separate video more on like a beginner friendly part to do the widow speak, because you have to go ahead and kind of pull the hair out. I like to pull it out because I get to see what I'm pulling out without doing too much. But if you're heavy handed, you don't want to rip the lace, especially working with HD lace. So that's the tip that you guys need to know. So now that I created my widow speak look, I'm just going to go ahead and just pluck it because she's doing the middle part. Make it look natural, and voila, this is how it looks. Before I cut it, I don't cut too close to the hairline. I still leave like a 1 inch of lace, a little bit, maybe half an inch of lace, and just to give it the scalp effect, because that's what really gives it the scalp effect. If you cut too close to the hairline, it can look unnatural sometimes. So not leaving too much lace, but just leaving enough just for the scalp look. And voila, this is how it looks, and this is without applying any tint or makeup yet. I have my outline, and I'm gonna go ahead and melt this all in. This is completely glueless. We're not gonna use any glue at all. So here I am using my lace tint in the shade medium brown. It's coming soon. This is from my new product line, so make sure you guys are being updated. This is the shade medium brown, cocoa brown, and look how it just sank into her skin. Now just look at the difference from this side. It literally looks like her hair, and we have not done anything yet. Yo, invest in the products you use for your clients. Our website has tons of products that I use for my clients that I've worked on for so long that will give you these results. With proper techniques, we have one-on-one classes. We are also planning virtual classes. But look at the difference from that side and that side. Wow. Some people prefer their glueless completely glueless, which is fine. I do know how to do that technique as well. I love when clients recommend either or, but with my original process, I love using my glueless melt mousse and the lace dissolver melting spray, just because it sets the lace in place. It molds the lace in place, and your install will last longer. If you're the girl that don't want to take off your wig but still want to glueless because of the glue, then this technique is perfect for you. If you want the melted look but still want to take off your wig at night, these products will give you the melted look, and you can still take off your your wig at night. It's available right now, 50% off on our website. I'm going to show you guys how to use it. First, I go in and shake the product. This is the glueless melt mousse. It's a mousse design and has a sticky formula to basically melt the lace into your skin, but it's still very lightweight, so it doesn't have any strong latex, any adhesive. It doesn't have anything harming to your skin in it. You can also use it for your curls, but I normally love it for the glueless method. So I go ahead and I just put the mousse all around the hairline, and then I go in and top it off with the secret spray, the lace dissolver spray. The lace dissolver spray is your best friend. The lace dissolver spray is your best friend. That's your everyday best friend, or your every week best friend, depending on how much you like your hair to look melted. So right now I'm still applying the glueless melt mousse. I'm making sure that I'm getting it everywhere, and sometimes that could drip on your clients. So make sure you tell them to put their head up. Just tell your client, or if you're doing it on yourself, put your head slightly up, clean up what you need to clean up, and then go ahead with your lace dissolver spray. So here I am just spraying the lace dissolver spray on the lace, and I am just tapping it in. Don't forget to tap it in, and immediately put your band on after. Do not wait for it to dry and then put your band on. No, that's what creates the white residue and all of that. Just put your band directly on once you are done spraying and moussing down your lace. Right now I'm taking some videos, and I'm using my large LaidByJess band, And I'm going to put her in the dryer for 15 to 20 minutes. So you have to make sure you really set everything in. So she's back out the dryer. She just went for like a very soft crimp look. So she just wanted to keep the body wave texture and wanted like just the soft crimp texture look. So we went ahead and did that. Put her baby hairs on. I put the baby hairs on. Word of advice, if you are a beginning hairstylist or you're just trying to perfect your craft, just take your time, keep practicing, keep investing into yourself as you're watching videos. Make sure you're also finding trusted stylists that you can invest your money with to always keep you in the game. Always try to learn different techniques at home on yourself. Just keep practicing and do not lose hope. It's a process to like learn. So give yourself grace, keep practicing, keep investing into yourself. We do have mentorship classes, one-on-one classes. We have ebooks. We have